technology-based education has been one of our 4 core principles. So our response to building the capability in digital learning is not a knee-jerk reaction to pandemic, but for the past more than 10 years, we have been building the sound capability for digital learning. In fact, for the past 7 years, and General Kulkarni mentioned really a genuine issue of reskilling or training the teachers. So we have been doing that for the past 7 years. We have a monthly workshop for faculty in which technology-enabled teaching learning has been a dominant theme all through. Nonetheless, the pandemic certainly intensified the pace of innovation. And today what we have, the digital learning platform, we call Nugget. And Nugget has the features, a very comprehensive, as envisaged by new education policy also. I would like to just talk about 2-3 things, how we did, because your question was, what innovation we did. You said your question is how, and I think that makes more sense, more relevant. I would like to say the first thing, that we involved all stakeholders in designing the platform, which is not only the faculty, students, but actually we are involving the industry as well and taking very important, valuable inputs from them and learning from them. So it is a co-created by all stakeholders. And the 3 principles on which we have designed and we have been implementing Nugget is, the first and foremost is the student experience. Because all that matters is how is student experience when student is sitting away at his residence and is only from morning till late afternoon on the digital platform. His experience must be very refreshing, pleasing, learning. So learning effectiveness is the second principle that we are addressed. And the third is the comprehensiveness. Now the fact that we are a residential campus and for the past 1 year operating in a virtual mode, this Nugget has tried to replicate campus environment virtually, which means students are working in group projects, students are running their clubs, whether it is music club, Kavishala club, or a Nukkad Natak club. They put up a Nukkad Natak on 26 January, everything virtual. So it is a replicating the campus environment in a virtual form. That has been our third, central principle. Having done this, the continuous student feedback, faculty feedback, and in fact, I will add many of our alumni have been contributing. And one of them, if he is in the audience, I would like him to speak a few words. And as soon as I complete in next 1 minute what I have to say, I would like to also add that we have thrown open our Nugget to prospective students to have the test of the pudding. If they decide to join, how they are going to learn. We did this last year itself. Continuous feedback from alumni, prospective students, current existing students, faculty on a weekly basis. And therefore, we have been in the experience of continuous incremental innovation on a week-to-week basis. We are monitoring, we are improving. And I think that's the only process. It is quite painstaking, but I think it pays rich dividends, and we are very proud to, really showcase our platform, which we have rightly named Nugget. And in fact, Mr. Pawar mentioned that when he saw the play by the engineering student, then came the idea of activity-oriented course. In fact, I think the student who is in our audience, it was his first play, a full 3-hour English play in a professional manner. And I acknowledge that our alum now, that triggered the idea of activity-oriented course. It has been very exciting, this path of innovation, continuous incremental improvement.